Hey, so how do we think about classes and objects in programming? Class is usually like a blueprint for the objects and how they are going to be built. So if we have a basic object, for example, when you order a drink from McDonald's, you get a flask, which has a cap and a straw. This is like a basic object. There's some liquid in the flask. So we can think of this as a object which has a private method, private variables, which is the liquid. So we can't really access this liquid outside the object without using the straw, which is kind of like a public method for the class. So usually when we build a class, it starts with the class keyword, class flask, for example. Usually it's good idea to use public and private interfaces for the class, because you wouldn't want to start drinking this from your hands, for example. It's much easier if you use the straw. So public, okay, some might want to use hands drinking that, but yeah, that's your problem. For example, public, that's the straw. We can access this private interface, which is here, liquid. For example, liquid 10 liters. And public interface, we can access this liquid here with the help of this straw, for example. And if we want to make this straw method work, so we can drink this liquid, for example, we can, every time we use the straw, we drink 1 liter of liquid. For example, liquid minus 1 liter. That's pretty much okay. But yeah, then we just return 1 liter of liquid. Oops. Right, that. So that's how we use this. We take this liquid, take 1 liter off of it, so it's 9 liters now, and we return the 1 liter of liquid which we took off and provide it to the user. And that's basically like, we can have multiple public methods which can alter this private variable here. For example, add liquid. We can have other straw which can add liquid here from big canister, for example, and everything like that. So that's basically it. Classes are like blueprints which are used to construct the object and objects. For example, flask. So we can say like flask. My flask is my flask's name, for example, like this. So now my flask is okay. Yeah, then we can use these public methods to my flask. For example, if I want to drink, I can just say straw, like here, and now it drinks from my straw, from my flask, this 1 liter of liquid. Yeah, that's basically it. Yeah.